Hi guys, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be on a box braid, knotless box braid wig. And it is 36 inches long, honey. Look at this wig. We're talking about lace all the way through the whole thing. You can part it anywhere you want to. So I'm showing you inside of the wig right now. Look at those big baby hairs. Well, they have a strap right there that you could be able to adjust to fit your head because the wig is big head friendly as well. They have a comb in the back and it's 2 combs on the side napes. And also look at that full lace all the way through, y'all. It's a knotless box braid wig. You can be able to part this wig anywhere you choose to part it. And the braids are tightly done. Let me just get into this. It's a full lace wig, 36 inches knotless box braid wig. And the hair, it's not human, it's synthetic. And it's tightly braided with baby hairs. So I am showing you the wig, honey, and I'm going to be spraying the whole entire wig with the Ebin spray. And I forgot which shade it is. So let's see. I'm sorry. It is actually the Ebin tinted lace in medium brown. The skin tone is medium brown. So I'm spraying it all over the whole entire wig. Also, it has lace in the back of the wig, guys. So I didn't pull the wig up or anything. I just left everything down. So, but if you want to pull it up, that's why they have lace back there. That way you can be able to pull it up if you choose to pull it up. Gave me 2 stocking caps, wig caps. Stocking cap, wig caps is the same. They gave me 2 of those. They gave me also some eyelashes. And they also gave me some hair jewelry in gold. So, I'm going to be putting this wig down actually with Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And I want to tell you with that, please, 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 please do not use Bold Hold Liquid Gold because the wig is heavy. And by being heavy, if you're using the Bold Hold Liquid Gold, it's not strong enough to be able to hold down this wig. It will actually lift up because this wig has like double layers in it. And it gave me a time of my life because I used the Bold Hold Liquid Gold and it wasn't strong enough. So it was lifting up on everywhere. So I had to switch out and use some lace glue, but I didn't use the lace glue until after the video. I had to realize that, girl, that liquid gold is not going to work. So I went on and used some lace glue, straight lace glue, Bold Hold. No, I'm so sorry. Let me get this right now. I used Ghost Bond Supreme. And Ghost Bond Supreme, it actually laid this wig down to a T. And it didn't lift up because of that. Now, you see right there, I'm using that's the Bold Hold Liquid Gold. And that is an right there because it's not going to hold it. It will hold it while you're doing the front. But once you start maneuvering those braids, that wig, it's going to lift up on you. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead on and put on some music. And just go ahead on and show you guys what I did. And how I styled it. I left it down. Also, I'm not going to be back at the end of the video, so I'm hoping that you guys enjoyed the video. Tell me your thoughts on this wig. Also, everything will be down in the description bar. That way you can be able to go check them out. As well as I will have a coupon code down in the description box down below. So you guys know, like J Baby says, be blessed and not stressed.
never feel the way I feel. You don't know if my love is real. Baby, listen to me, here's the deal. When you're not here, I'm not the same. I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face.
Okay, right here is where I realized that after I lifted up that we had a problem far as the lace not staying on because of the double layers of the wig. And what it did was actually when I put the rubber band on, and when I went to pull it up, right there is when the lace started lifting up. So because the wig is really, it's a heavy wig. But at the same time, I knew that that was a problem right there with the lace. So I went on and tried to push through it, but then later on when I went to go to try to take pictures, I'm like, oh no, So I had to retake it loose, and I had to use some Supreme Ghost Bond Supreme, because I knew that it wasn't holding it off. You can see in the front right there, I'm feeling it. Definitely not.